Hello students. Students, in this video we will study about the moving charges and magnetism. So for that, first of all, we have to understand what is the magnetic field. Okay, you know, let this is a magnet placed here, and you know that the two poles are there of the magnet, north pole and south pole. If some magnetic substances or some magnetic materials are brought near the magnet, then these magnetic materials are feeling some attraction force towards the magnet. Okay, and if the magnetic materials are brought away from the magnet, at this point, so this magnetic material feels some attractive force towards the magnet. If this is brought away from this point, so the magnetic force on this magnetic material decreases. If this magnetic material is brought up to this point, so the magnetic force feeling by this magnetic material decreases slowly. Okay, after some distance from the magnetic after some distance from the magnet, here this magnetic material is not feeling any attraction force or any influence by the magnets. So there is some area around the magnet within which within which this magnetic material feels some attraction, or we can say the influence by the magnet. So we can say the magnetic field around the magnet within which any magnetic material can feel the influence of the magnet. So this space around the magnet is called the magnetic field. But what is the concept of magnetic field? So we will understand what is the concept. Okay. For this, we take a magnetic needle. You know, the magnetic needle has two poles, north pole and south pole. Okay. And let this is the conductor connected to the battery, and this is key. If this key is injected, then current will be flowing through the conductor, and the direction of current will be A to B direction. Okay, you know that if current is not flowing through the conductor, initially if the current is not flowing through the conductor, then this needle of this magnetic needle, this magnetic compass, this needle will align along the north south of the earth. Means the north pole of this magnetic needle will align towards the north pole of the earth, and south pole will be along the uh, south pole of the earth. Okay, now current is flowing through the conductor. Then this magnetic needle, the north pole of this magnetic needle deflects along this direction towards the towards the conductor. Okay, if the direction of current is changed, means if this is negative pole, negative terminal, and this is positive terminal, then the direction of current will be changed. In this condition, the deflection in the in this magnetic needle, the north pole of the magnetic needle will deflect away from the conductor. Means if this is the This is north pole, this is south and east and west. Okay, and if the current is flowing A to B, then north pole of magnetic needle deflects towards the conductor, means it deflects towards the west. Okay, and if the direction of current is changed, then the deflection in the magnetic needle will be uh, inversed, and the direction of deflection will be along this direction, means the north pole of the this magnetic compass will deflect towards the east direction. Okay, why this magnetic needle deflects? This is magnet, mean if the magnet is brought near another magnet, and if the south pole and south pole are brought near the two magnets, then south pole repel to the south pole and south pole attract to the north pole, means like pole repel and unlike poles attracts. Okay, here we can say that magnetic needle deflects, means here magnetic field should be there, and if uh, mm, the current is stopped, then the deflection in the magnetic needle of magnetic compass does not deflect. What is here? Means we can say that conclusion is that when current is flowing through the conductor, here magnetic field would be producing here. Okay, and if the direction of the current is A to B, then the direction of deflection is towards the conductor, and if the direction of current is changed B to A, then the direction of deflection in magnetic needle inversed. Okay, and when the current is not flowing through the conductor, here no deflection is there in the magnetic needle, means here magnetic field would not be producing in, near the magnetic needle, and if current is flowing through the conductor, then here magnetic field would be producing. So why magnetic field produces here? Due to the flow of charge, because here current is flowing in the current, here electrons are flowing through the conductor, and electrons are charged particles. Okay, means if charged particles are moving, then around this conductor here magnetic field produces. And you know that when two electric charges are placed very close to each other, then these electric charges uh, act electrostatic force to each other. Similarly, in this case here, when current is flowing through the conductor, here the magnetic force are acting by the two electric charges. Now here electrons are flowing, and you know that the magnetic needle has also electrons or charged particles. So due to this moving charge particle, some magnetic field produces, and if in this magnetic field the magnetic needle is placed, then magnetic needle will experience some attraction force or magnetic force. So what is the concept of magnetic field? Actually, concept of magnetic field is that when two charged particles, one of them is moving, then here a magnetic field is produced. Understands once again, when two charged particles are there and if one of them is moving, then moving charged particle produces magnetic field. Due to this, another charged particle which is at rest feels some magnetic field. So what is the concept of magnetic field? It is and the concept of magnetic field is when two charged particles are close to each other or are in the influence of each other, then here magnetic field is produced. Magnetic force is acting to the charged particle. This is the concept of magnetic field. Okay, so this is the concept of magnetic field. Now we will discuss about the Ørsted's experiment. Second will be Ørsted's experiment. Ørsted's experiments. What is the Ørsted's experiment? So first of all, Ørsted said that if a magnetic needle is placed near the current carrying conductor, let this conductor is AB, and this by this conductor here battery is connected to the conductor minus or, and this is positive terminal of the battery, and here key is connected in the series of the battery. If current is made to flow through the conductor, then here magnetic needle deflects, and the deflection of magnetic needle is towards the conductor, current carrying conductor. Means the deflection will be in the direction of west direction. If this is the north, south, east, west, send the deflection in the magnetic needle towards the west direction, along this direction, towards the conductor. And he told us that if the direction of current is changed, if this is negative terminal and this is positive terminal, the direction of current will be B to A. In this condition, the deflection in the magnetic needle of this magnetic compass reversed, and now the deflection is away from the conductor. Away from the conductor means towards the east direction. Okay, and he observed that if the current is not flowing through the conductor, then the deflection in the needle, in the magnetic needle is 0. By these experiments, he concluded that if the current is flowing through the conductor, around this current carrying conductor, here magnetic field is produced. And if current is not flowing through the conductor, here magnetic field becomes 0. Magnetic field becomes 0, or there is no magnetic field in the absence of current through the conductor. Okay, if this magnetic needle is placed over the conductor, then the direction of deflection is along this direction. If this needle is placed below the conductor, under the conductor, then the deflection in the magnetic needle will reverse, and the direction, if the direction of current is along this direction, so if this is placed over the conductor, then deflection is along the west direction, along this direction. And if this is placed under the conductor, then the deflection in the magnetic needle, or the deflection or on this north pole of the magnetic needle, deflects away from the conductor, means towards the east direction. Okay, and if the current is not flowing through the conductor, then here deflection in the magnetic needle is 0. Means, conclusion, he observed that here around the current carrying conductor, when current is flowing through the conductor, here magnetic field would be producing. Okay, that's why this magnetic needle deflects. Means this magnetic needle experiences some magnetic force. Magnetic force may be attractive or negative, attractive or repulsive. Okay, so you know that the like poles of the magnet repel to each other, and unlike poles of the magnet attracts to each other. Okay, and that's why here the magnetic needle would be experiencing some magnetic force. That's why this magnetic needle deflects. These are the experiments of the Oersted. Okay, and third point is our the Ampere's swimming law. This Ampere's swimming law, Ampere's gave a law to find the direction of the deflection of this north pole of the magnetic needle. Okay, in which direction this north pole of the magnetic needle will deflect when current is flowing through any direction, through the conductor in any direction. Okay, so according to the Ampere's swimming law, if a person, let this is the conductor, yes, this is the conductor, and the direction of current through the conductor is along the direction. We assume that if a person swimming along the direction of current, like this, okay, then the magnetic needle will deflect towards the left hand side of this swimmer. If the direction is along this direction in this arm, and this is the swimmer, so the direction of the deflection in the magnetic needle, let this is the magnetic needle, this is north and this is south. If the current is flowing through the conductor, so the this north pole of the magnetic needle will deflect towards the conductor along this direction. So the new position of the magnetic needle will be this. So here third is the Ampere's swimming rule. Ampere's swimming rules. According to the Ampere swimming rules, if a person is swimming along the direction or same direction in the direction of current flowing through any conductor, and his face is towards the conductor, then the deflection in the north pole of the magnetic needle will towards the left hand side of the of this person swimmer. So this is the conductor and the current is flowing along this direction, and now I am swimming and my left hand is in this side. Okay, so the if the magnetic needle is placed here, so the deflection of magnetic needle will be along this direction. Okay, in towards my left hand side. Okay, so this is the Ampere's swimming rule. So we understood in this video, first the concept of magnetic field, second the Oersted's experiment, and third, what is third? Third is the Ampere's swimming rule.